Hey everyone, and welcome to this month's edition to Tales from the CTO. My name is Jamie, CTO here at ProServeIT, and this month we'll be talking a little bit about AI. AI is a hot topic. It's in, I think, everyone's top 3 priorities, or maybe top 5, and it's just hitting the news, and everyone's trying to figure out how does AI, or where does AI fit? I think as some of you longtime viewers perhaps might know, we have a model for how we view technology here at ProServeIT, and we think of it through the lens of a house, right? It has a solid foundation, various different rooms in the house, and has a roof, and allows us to use analogies to describe technology projects through a construction lens or renovation lens. And one of the things that popped up is, where does AI fit? Does AI fit in one room? Is it an insight automation? Do we need to change the house to have AI injected into it? And I think the truth of this is that AI is everywhere, and AI is going to help all of these rooms of the house. AI is going to have an influence on how security does security better. It's going to be able to parse logs faster. It's going to be able to allow you to give cues or hints into how to respond to specific incidents. From a productivity perspective, it's going to allow us to summarize meetings, create content, create presentations in a very automated and swift fashion. We're going to be able to use some of our core business applications or departmental applications like CRM, and it's going to provide us with insights into customers and prompts and cues, perhaps even to what to do next, or find correlation between other customers and say, hey, I think maybe we should talk to this customer about this because I see 5 other customers follow a similar buying pattern, for example. So AI is going to influence all of the rooms of the house. And so it's not actually an individual room, it's everywhere. So what does that mean? So since AI is in all parts of the business operation, we should look at it a little bit differently. There is a case or a thought that AI is going to replace jobs. And I think that's just not the case, right? What will happen is AI, instead of being a job replacement, is going to be a job enhancement. Right? The focus is on automation and efficiency, not on reducing workforce. So when we think about this from a practical perspective, we think about, let's take lawyers, right? There's been some news and articles about how various different artificial intelligence systems have passed the bar exam, for example. So if we have an AI that's passed the bar, do we need lawyers? I think the obvious answer is yes, we do. However, those lawyers that leverage AI to help them find articles or precedent or make arguments are going to be more efficient and effective than those lawyers that do not. That's a very simple example. So when we think about artificial intelligence, we need to think about it from a few lenses. One, it's going to influence all aspects of our business. We need to think about that. 2, are we in an industry where there is going to be a fundamental shift where there's going to be those that use it and those that don't use it, which will be everyone, by the way. Everyone will use AI, but like legal, as an example, there are those that will be a little bit more susceptible to the advantages that AI will provide to those that use it, to those that don't. And to prepare your business, it's all around, we need to have an AI strategy. We need to begin to look at our business and analyze it critically and say, where can AI help make us more efficient? Where can AI add value to our workers? And this is really the future. So if you want to unpack this a little bit more, jump into a little bit of a conversation about this, I'd love to have that chat. You can reach out at CTO@ProServeIT.com. Thanks.